Is mulch the right thing for you? I had a young couple come by the other day, and they asked me, how did I get the garden to look this way? How did I maintain? Well, I said, pull up a bucket. Let me tell you a story about Mary. Well, Mary loved to garden. She loved to grow her own food, have her own flowers. She tilled up that garden every year. And you, like all of us, as time goes by, that tiller got heavier, pulling the weeds got harder, dragging that hose in the hot summer. She thought she was going to have to give it up. She figured, I got to do something different. Well, mulch may not be for you, but Mary found mulch. Just about the time Mary was going to give up, she had a couple grandkids that started showing some interest, and she wanted to keep the tradition going. So she thought she ought to go ahead and give deep mulch a shot. She just started laying hay on the ground that she got out of the barn, compost that she'd had piled up behind the shed, some old leaves that she raked up. She went ahead and just laid it out thick over the old beds and just trusted that the soil would do what the soil does when it's covered and protected. Now her garden looked different. It wasn't neat, it wasn't pretty, it wasn't the nice clean tilled row she was used to. But she trusted, and as it became time to plant, she moved that mulch out of the way, took it down to bare soil. And it was just full of worms, and it was just full of life. She went ahead and sprinkled her seeds on top. She planted very heavy. She patted it in, good soil contact. Added back a little bit of mulch. And just about the time that her seeds started coming up, the weeds started coming up in the neighbor's garden. But she didn't have any weeds in her garden. As the summer went along, she barely pulled the hose out, and she almost had no weeds. And her plants just thrived. And what Mary found out is the hardest work you have to do in a deep mulch garden is harvest. This is what I told that young couple. Deep mulch might not be for you. If you want to water all summer long, if you want to pull weeds all summer long, if you want to continue to add fertilizer, if you want to fight the heat and you want to fight nature, but if you want to come out and enjoy your garden, enjoy the plants, very little weeding. So I told that young couple, deep mulch might not be for you. If you want to drag that hose all summer long, I mean, you're young and you're strong, but you get old like me, I want to go ahead and let nature do what nature does. By feeding that life in the soil, it takes care of your plants. And that young couple asked me if Mary taught me how to do this. No, it was a testament, it was a thank you for showing people exactly what's possible in a deep mulch garden. If they wanted to become part of this movement, where the hardest work you ever going to do is harvest, all you got to do is lay organic matter down on the soil. Lay it down deep and let nature take its course. So is mulch right for you? You have to decide that. There's other ways to garden. Whatever makes you successful is good. But Mary, myself, and scores of other people have found the deep mulch to be a very easy way to garden, producing more food than you can eat. Peas are just finishing up. Beans are just coming on. Gotta love the seasons in the garden. The best way to keep your peas, your beans, your cucumbers producing is come out and harvest every day. Get anything that's ready to come off, get it off. As soon as it thinks it's made enough seed, it'll stop producing. I do want to thank Mary and everyone else out there who sent me testimonials saying just how much the deep mulch has changed the way that they garden. And you can do this too. If you want to learn more about why the deep mulch works the way it works, I wrote a book. There's a link somewhere down there. You wouldn't hurt my feelings if you picked up a copy, but it explains just exactly why the life works the way it works within your garden system. You can do this too, and until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.